Okay, so I'm just letting you YouTubers know that I might be canceling my account, but I don't know yet. I'm just in a really emotional state right now. I received some pretty bad news. But it should be okay because I have someone here for me. I have my best friends, my sisters, so to say. Oh god. Hang on. Okay, I'm just telling you guys this now, so in case anybody worries about me, I'll be fine. I'm just gonna feel really sick for the next couple of days. Well, I hope to make more funny videos for you guys soon. So many things are going wrong right now. Yet so many good things are happening too. Contradictory. Yeah. Do what they're saying. Keep holding on, even when things get rough. Eventually things will get a lot better.